Hello friends, this is the part 2 of Python tutorial. We will try to understand and learn basic topics on Python program such as Python features, Python applications, flavor of Python, Python poem and which company is using Python. This will help you to better understand and Python concepts. Stay with me. My name is Gaurav and you're watching Honest Mark. Python features. Python provides many useful features which make it popular and valuable from the other programming languages. It supports object-oriented programming, procedural programming approaches and provide dynamic memory location. We have listed below a few essential features. First, easy to learn and use. Python is easy to learn as compared to other programming languages. Its syntax is straightforward and much as the same as the English language. There is no use of the semicolon and curly bracket. The indentation defines the code block. It is the recommended programming language for beginners. Second, expressive language. Python can perform complex tasks using a few lines of code. A simple example, the Hello World program. You simply type print hello world under the inverted comma. It will take only one line to execute, while Java or C takes multiple lines. Third is interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language. It means the Python program is executed one line at a time. The advantage of being interpreted language, it makes debugging easy and portable. Fourth point is cross-platform language. Python can run equally on different platforms such as Windows, Linux, Unix and Macintosh, etc. So we can say that Python is a portable language. It enables programs to develop the software for several complete platforms by written a program only once. Fifth point is free and open source. Python is freely available for everyone. It is freely available on its official website www.python.org. It has a language community across the world that is dedicatedly working towards make new Python module and functions. Anyone can contribute to the Python community. The open source mean anyone can download its source code without paying any penny. Sixth point is business applications. Business applications differ from standard application. E-commerce and ERP are an example of an business application. This kind of application requires extensively scalable and readability, and Python provide all these features. Odoo is an example of the all-in-one Python-based application which offer a range of business applications. Python provides a Triton platform which is used to develop the business applications. Seventh point is audio or video based applications. Python is flexible to perform multiple tasks and can be used to create multimedia applications. Some multimedia applications which are made by using Python like TeamPlayer, CPlayer, etc. The few multimedia libraries are given below. First is GStreamer, second is Pluglet, third is Qt Phonon. Eighth point is large standard library. It provides a vast range of library for the various fields such as machine learning, web developing and also for the scripting. There are various machine learning libraries such as TensorFlow, Pandas, NumPy, Keras and PyTorch, etc. Django, Flux, Pyramids are the popular frameworks for Python web development. Ninth is GUI programming support. Graphical user interface is used for the developing desktop application. PyQt5, Kkinter, Kiwi are the libraries which are used for developing web applications. 10th point is integrated. It can be easily integrated with language like C, C++ and Java, etc. Python runs code line by line like C, C++, Java. It makes easier to debug the code. 11th point is embeddable. The code of the other programming language can use in the Python source code. We can use Python source code in another programming language as well. It can embed other language into our code. 12th is dynamic memory allocation. In Python, we don't need to specify the data type of the variable. When we assign some value to the variable, it automatically allocates the memory to the variable at the runtime. Suppose we are assigning integer value 15 to x, then we don't need to write int x is equal to 15. Just write x is equal to 15. Python applications. Python is known for its general purpose nature that makes it applicable in almost every domain of software development. Python makes its presence in every emerging field. It is the fast growing programming language can develop any application. Hence, we are specifying application area where Python can be applied. Here in this picture, you can see that web applications, desktop GUI application, console-based application, software development, scientific and numeric, business applications, audio or video-based applications, 3D CAD applications, enterprise application, image processing applications. In these area, Python mostly used. Web application. We can use Python to develop web applications. It provides library to handle internet protocols such as HTML, XML, JSON, email processing, request, beautiful soap, feed parser, etc. On the Python web framework named Django is used on Instagram. Python provides many useful frameworks and these are given below. Django and Pyramid framework used for heavy application, Flux and Bottle micro framework, Prolong and Django CMS advanced content management. Second, desktop GUI application. The GUI stands for graphical user interface which provide a smooth interaction to any application. Python provide a TK GUI library to develop a user interface. Some popular GUI libraries are given below. Third is console-based application. Console-based application run from the command line or shell. These applications are computer programmed which are used commands to execute. These kind of applications was more popular in the old generation of computers. Python can develop this kind of applications very effectively. This is the famous for having REPL, which means the read evil paint loop that makes it the most suitable language for the command line applications. Python provides many free libraries for module which helps to build the command line apps. This necessary input-output libraries are used to read and write. This help you to parse argument and create console help text out of the box. There are some advanced library that can develop independent console app. Fourth is software development. Python is useful for the software development process. It works as a support language and can be used to build control and management testing etc. Fifth point is scientific and numeric. This is the era of artificial intelligence where the machine can perform the task as the same as the human. Python language is the most suitable language for artificial intelligence or machine learning. It consists of many scientific and mathematical libraries which makes easier to solve complex calculation problem. Implementing machine learning algorithm require complex mathematical calculation. Python has many libraries for scientific and numeric such as NumPy, Pandas, SciencePy, scikit-learn, etc. If you have some basic knowledge of Python, you need to import libraries on the top of the code. Few popular frameworks of machine learning are given below. SciencePy, scikit-learn, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. Sixth point is object-oriented language. Python supports object-oriented language and concepts of the classes and objects come into the existence. The supports inheritance, polymorphism and encapsulation etc. The object-oriented procedure helps to programmer to write reusable code and develop application in less code. Seventh point is extensible. It implies that Other languages such as C, C++ can be used to compile the code, and thus it can be used further in our Python code. It converts the code of program into a bytecode, and any platform can use that bytecode. 8 point is 3D CAD applications. The 3D computer aided design is used to design engineering related architecture. It is used to develop 3D representation of a part of a system. Python can create a 3D CAD application by using the following functionalities. First is Fandango, popular, which is CamWorks, Heeks, CNC, AnyDesk, CCam. Ninth point is enterprise applications. Python can be used to create applications that can be used within an enterprise or an organization. Some real-time applications are OpenERP, Tritron, Picalo, etc. 10th point is image processing application. Python contains many libraries that are used to work with the image. The image can be manipulated according to our requirements. Some libraries of image processing are given below. OpenCV, Pillow, SimpleLTK. Python ships in various flavors. CPython written in C, most common implementation of Python. JPython written in Java, compiled to bytecode. IronPython implemented in C Sharp, an extensible layer 2 framework written in .NET. Python, browser Python runs in browser. Ruby Python, bridge between Python and Ruby interpreter. Pay implemented in Python. MicroPython runs in a microcontroller. Many big companies using Python for their products services. Here we have a list. Tim Peters, the major contributor to the Python community, wrote this poem to highlight the philosophies of Python. If you type in import this in your Python IDLE, you will find this poem. Friends, that's all in this part 2 tutorial of Python. I hope you understood. Please like it and share with your friends.